Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter, which critical role character are you and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit critical role. You can follow to unlock this filter to your camera tray. So check in the filter gallery and you will find this filter, Heroes of Exandria. Tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram and use this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.